1 base 2 plus 2 base 3 plus 3 base 4. What is the value? Right? So here what you have to do, right? You cannot able to calculate two different number systems, right? So you have to make it sequential for all values, right? You have to convert all into binary number system, or you have to convert into all into 3 number system, or you have to convert all into 4 number system, or you can able to convert into decimal number system, right? So for us decimal number system is the efficient one, so try to convert everything into decimal number system first. So 11 base 2 in decimal number system, 3, you know, 3 base 10, 22 base 3 in decimal number system, 2 into 3 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8 is base 10 plus 3 base 4, 12 plus 3 15 base 10. Now all are in decimal number system, it is easy for us to solve, right? So 11 plus 15, 26 base 10, 26 base 10. But here they assumed that they have given again in this one. What is this question mark? What you have to do now? You need to convert this 26 base 10 into base 6 format, right? If you would like to convert into base 6 format, what you have to do? You have to divide with 6, right? So 26, 6 for 24, base 2 for 42, right? So the answer is, in place of question mark you have to place as 4 to base 6.